One, guys, so basically we're gonna make some mango, kiwi, ginger, lime, and some sea moss. We're gonna make a nice lovely kiwi smoothie today, guys. So let's jump straight into this. So right here we're gonna add some mango, roughly about half of a mango, guys. Okay, large tablespoon of sea moss. Right here we're gonna grate a piece of a fresh ginger. Right here we're gonna squeeze half of a lime juice inside of it. So that's the lime juice. Right here, we're gonna remove 2 kiwi, just to remove the skin, just like this, all right? And then we're gonna cut them up very small. Right here, I'm gonna add the second kiwi, so I'm using 2 medium-sized kiwi. Simple, add just a little bit of water. For flavor, you can add half teaspoon of organic honey. Now we're just gonna take this to the blend. Nice, so I just finished blending it, and this is the way it look. Finish it off with a pinch of mint. All right, that's mango and kiwi. Stay tuned.